Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan, owner, Master in Trading. Been trading for 22 years. I've never seen back-tested data that looks as good as the back-tested data that Pablo just shared with me on the VIX tool. So let me go over that right now. Okay guys, so in front of you, this is our new VIX tool. And what this tool does is it looks at different time frames of the VIX. So we have like a 9-day VIX, we have the 30-day VIX, which is just the VIX, a 6-month VIX, 9 months, 1 year. On this tool, we share buy signals. But I'm never going to share buy signals or any kind of signals unless I can prove it to you with back-tested data. So Pablo just finished the back-tested data. I'm going to walk you through that so you can see exactly the performance of this tool going back the last 10 years. So here we have it. It's just on the S&P futures. This is the VIX tool. We're using the buy signals. If I hit the beaker here, boom. Now we're going to backtest. Simple, straightforward backtest. Backtest trade size is going to be 1. Backtest profit taking amount is going to be 100 S&P points. Let's start with this off. So all we're going to do right now is we're going to go back 10 years. We're going to trade 1 lots of the S&P, and we're not going to take that sucker off until we make 100 points. Okay? Apply. Okay. Now if I just take any of these, I right click, I show the report, and let me show you what we got. S&P futures, going back to 2013. We're buying a 1 lot, we're closing a 1 lot. We trade 1 lots. That's all we're doing. Max trade P&L, $6,000. $6,000 is making a 1 lot on a 100-point move in the S&P futures. Total P&L, $63,000. $63,500, 12 trades. Not a lot of trades, but heck, do you really need a lot of trades with this kind of performance? You can see trade P&L making 100 points every single time we get a buy signal. Okay, so that works great. We didn't use any stop though, right? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to hit the beaker. I'm going to run the same exact test, but on this test, let's take a profit for a 100-point rally in the S&P. We'll still trade 1 lots, 21 days. Back test, max day count. So now, all I'm telling the back test to do is, again, let's go back 10 years. Let's look at all the data. We're going to trade 1 lots. I want to take it off if we make 100 points in the S&P futures. But now, after 21 days, if we're not up 100 points in the S&P futures, we're just going to get out. Okay? Apply. Okay? Again, we right-click any one of these. We show that report. Let's see what we got. You can see we're doing a little bit more trading now that we use that 21-day rule to get out. Scroll down here. Max trade, 6,000, a little bit lower. Total P&L, 59,000 just trading 1 lots, 18 different trades. So if we go through them, and again, buy 1, sell 1, it'll tell you the exact prices. It got out before 100 because I'm guessing this is within 21 days. Buy 1, sell 1, again, made about 50 points. You can see, because we did that 21 days, it's hurting us as far as the profits, but it's also giving us that stop. Any losers? Yeah, we got a little loser right here, down 3,000. I've never seen back-tested data like this. This is the VIX tool. This Saturday, I'm going to walk you through the VIX tool. I'm going to do a product demonstration. Pablo and Jonathan, myself, will be on live to answer any questions you have. This is the real deal, guys. I would never share a product like this with any kind of signals without giving you real back-tested data. That's what we have for you, and I am so excited to share it with you this Saturday. If you're watching after April 20th, email support@MastersInTrading. Happy to send you a recording. Thanks for watching, guys. This is awesome. Be safe, be well. Jonathan Rose, Masters in Trading.